Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I came with the long answer questions of chapter number 7, subject science, class 6, day 2. The first question is, explain how different organisms carry out exchange of gases. Give one example of each. The exchange of gases carry out in animals same as in plants. In simple animals, the exchange occurs directly with the environment. Oxygen and carbon dioxide move by diffusion across moist membranes. For example, plants breathe in CO2 and animals breathe in O2. It means plants breathe in carbon dioxide and animals breathe in oxygen. Question number 2. Animals grows till a particular age, whereas plants grow throughout their life. Justify. Answer is, plants' growth is unique because plants retain their capacity for unlimited growth throughout their life. Animals grow for a limited period of time, after which their growth ceases and they ultimately die. Plants has meristematic tissues at certain location in their body. Question number 3, part A. A plant grows towards sunlight. Mention the stimulus and the response. Answer is, phototropism is one of the many plant movements which respond to external stimuli. A change in the environment is the stimulus and the reaction of the organism to it is the response. So, a plant grows towards sunlight. Part B. What is meant by stimulus and sensitivity? A stimulus is a detectable change in the physical or chemical structure of organisms. It is either external or internal, and the ability of an organism to detect external stimuli is called sensitivity. Question number 4. Distinguish between tissues and organs. Answer is, a group of similar cells that perform a particular function is called a tissue, and a group of tissues which work together to perform a particular function in the body is called an organ. Finally, you see again the answers of these questions. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. And question number 4. That's all.